In this video, you'll learn how to move apps on your Pixel 3 home screen and favorites bar. By following these steps, you will be able to customize your app layout for easier access to your most used applications. Begin by unlocking your Pixel 3 and navigating to the home screen. Once there, tap and hold an app icon until it lifts slightly off the screen. This action activates the home screen edit mode, which allows you to rearrange your apps. It is important to ensure that you have selected the correct app icon that you wish to move. Next, drag the app icon to your desired location on the home screen. If you would like to place the app in the favorites bar located at the bottom of the screen, move it towards that area. When you reach the intended position, release the icon to finalize its placement. This action helps in creating quick access to frequently used applications, enhancing your overall device experience. After placing the app, take a moment to check the new arrangement of your apps on the home screen. Ensure that everything is positioned according to your preferences. If you notice any icons that need adjusting, simply drag them again to the desired location. This process allows you to create a clean and organized home screen layout tailored to your needs. Once you are satisfied with the placement of your apps, your Pixel 3 layout is now customized to reflect your usage patterns. This organization can significantly improve your efficiency when navigating through your apps. Remember that you can always return to edit mode to make further adjustments as your app preferences change over time. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching and catch you in the next tutorial.